Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's special is ladies finger masala. It's very simple and quick recipe. It's for dinner. All you need is bhindi, tomato, onions and few basic spices. So let's get started. First, cut the lady's finger top and tail and slice them into 1-inch pieces. In a hot pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil and add lady's finger into it and fry it well for a few minutes. Fry them until they change color, yet crunchy, but they should not be sticky anymore. Once it is done, keep it aside. So in a pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil, add onions. I have taken into layers. I have separated the layers. Just saute it and keep it aside. So to the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil, half teaspoon of jeera. Let it crackle. Add 2 red dry chilies. Add 1 onion finely chopped. Saute it well. 1 tomato finely chopped. Half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry it for a second. One-fourth teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half teaspoon of jeera powder and salt to taste. Mix it well and now add little water. Don't add too much of water, just add half cup of water and allow it to boil. Here now it's boiling. Add lady's finger into it and give it a good mix. This is very easy recipe. Add onions. Just saute it and switch off the flame. Don't cook it. Just saute it and switch off the flame. So here is our ladies finger masala ready. It's very quick and easy. Do try it out and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Do share, like and subscribe. Bye.